How to make your iPhone louder on iOS 16. Here are some tips to increase the volume and improve sound quality on iOS 16. First, turn the volume all the way up. Press the volume up button. Go to Settings on your iPhone. Then tap on Sounds and Haptics and drag the ringer and alert slider to the maximum level. Next, clean the speaker grills. Dust and debris can reduce sound quality, so gently clean the bottom speakers and the earpiece using a soft, dry brush. Now, check your EQ settings. Go back to Settings, scroll down and tap on Music, then tap on EQ. If you use Apple Music, try presets like Late Night, which can make audio sound louder on some tracks. If you're using headphones, go to Settings again, tap on Sounds and Haptics, then tap on Headphone Safety. Make sure Reduce Loud Sounds isn't limiting your headphone volume, unless you want hearing protection. You should also disable any connected Bluetooth devices if your audio is playing through them instead of your iPhone speaker. Go to Settings, then tap on Bluetooth and disconnect any unused devices. Next, restart your iPhone to clear temporary software glitches that may affect audio performance. Finally, check for an iOS update by going to Settings, tap on General, then tap on Software Update and install any available updates. If your iPhone is still unusually quiet after trying these steps, the speaker may have a hardware issue, and it's a good idea to contact Apple support or visit an Apple authorized service provider. And that's it. Those are the best tips to increase your iPhone's volume and improve sound quality on iOS 16. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.